This is an aquaponics Filipino style. This is built by the deaf students of Welcome Home Foundation Incorporated. All the materials used in this system can be found here in Bacolod. This is very simple, and an ordinary family can really replicate this system in their home.